Everybody, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool workstation that we just finished up for our friends at All of It Now. So before we open this up, I just wanted to show everybody how this works. So this is a flat panel workstation. So this front lid here is removable, and it actually stores on the back of the case. So I figured since that's a pretty unique design, I would show you it closed first, and then we can take a look at how it opens. So check it out. Alright, so now that we've got this open, let's take a look at the inside of this workstation. So starting in the lid, we have our standard Chief FTR1U monitor mount centered in here. The customer is going to provide their own monitor, so we just, as far as mounting goes, we just have the mount installed. But below it, we do have our standard 2U configurable courtesy outlet. So this is a 2 rack space tall courtesy panel that we build here. You can configure this with whatever outlet config you want. It holds 4 Decora punched decorators style outlets. And you can either do it as just regular outlets, or you can do it with USB-A as configured, USB-C, or USB-A and C. So this particular customer just wanted it with USB-As across. And this is actually really great for charging things. So, you know, if you're a video production company, this is really great for any type of chargers or anything like that, or, you know, just charging your phone or any type of adapter or anything that needs a simple USB power. So this particular distribution unit also features 2 Powercon outputs. And you may be asking yourself, well, why Powercons? Well, because we build little 4-plex outlets that are designed to extend your outlet banks off of this. So this is an LM Tour Systems product. You can buy this 4-plex outlet directly from our online store. There's a link in the description for that. These can be built anywhere from 1 foot to 100 feet long. You can get them labeled however you want, but they're all based around this Hubble 4-plex box, which is very cool. And it's just designed to give you an additional outlet bank. So if you've got something that's very large as far as plugs or a type of wall wart or something like that, you can, instead of plugging it in here, you can plug it into the 4-plex outlet. So those are an available option for those 2U desktop power strips. So going back, we've got a grommet down here. This is just giving you a cable passage to behind the drawers. So if there's anything like, say, a small computer or something like that that needs to drive the video signal for the monitor that's installed, we just wanted to make sure that we were thinking to give you a cable passage all the way down. So all the drawers in this workbox are identical. There are 9 drawers in this workbox, and they all feature customizable interior dividers. Just like this. So each drawer features 10 dividers. The dividers can all be interchangeable within each drawer, but this is, if you're watching our videos, it's a very common thing for us. This is just a 1/4-inch marine grade plastic divider. These are dadoed pieces of PE foam on the side so that you can configure the drawers however you'd like. So this is great for adapters or small parts or anything like that that can get lost. So all of the drawers are built out of 1/2-inch Baltic Birch. They're finished with black texture coating, and they are mounted on heavy-duty Accuride glides. So the drawers in this particular case are built into a 1/2-inch structure. So the drawers are actually separate from the exterior case. So if you notice on the exterior case, there aren't any rivet holes or anything on the outside. All of that stuff is within the 1/2-inch structure that the drawers are built into. And beyond strength, one of the reasons that we do that is obviously a nice clean exterior look, but then that also allows the case to operate independently of the drawers. So anybody that's familiar with workboxes knows that you generally load these pretty pretty seriously, so the Workbox is generally one of the heaviest things in the truck. So we just want to make sure that you can do that with ours, and they'll last for a very long time. So just looking at just some of the details right here, the work surface, or the drawer unit, is framed with U-channel. The work surface here is laminated with black Wilson Art laminate. We've got nice deep recessed hardware along the side here. And you may be wondering, well, how does the work surface get power? Well, we have a large recessed cable latch with an LM branded power inlet. Now this, actually, we swapped the outputs on this. So this is a locking Powercon output on the back. So because this is recessed behind the drawers, we made it so that it can never come unplugged. And then the bottommost drawer here, has a little angle on the back to actually accommodate the power box within the work surface. So let's take a look at the back here, and I'll show you how the lid stores on the back in more detail. So looking at the back of the case, the lid is designed to clip onto the back very simply. So this allows you not to have any extraneous lids to store. The top portion is hinged, that just comes right up, and then the bottom portion stores on the back of the case. So I'll show you how this latching mechanism works here. So looking at the back of the case, this is actually a custom part that we modify. So the dish portion, this back portion here, is a pen medium recessed dish. This is a plasma cut piece of steel that we add on the back. So on the lid below, there is a male portion that goes in. So we route this out so that you can just basically find this hole when you're putting it in. So if you look at my finger, and this is the example of the male receiver portion on the lid, you can get it kind of close, and then it'll just slide right in. So that's the portion, or that's why we designed the receiver portion like that. So looking at the lid here, this is the male portion that's mounted on the lid. It looks very, very similar to tractor trailer coupling. That was the inspiration for the design. All right, so looking at the back of the case, you can just see how this lines up nicely. So all you have to do is just click that lid onto the back. It also has a print of the All of It Now silkscreen for the customer. So if you're looking at this case from behind, you can still see the customer logo on it. So if anybody has any questions, you can email me directly, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out, lmcases.com, or our online store, lmcasesonline.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great day.